Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Suzuki Solio Premium, a compact MPV that combines versatility, style, and efficiency. Let's explore everything this urban-friendly vehicle has to offer. Exterior design. The 2025 Suzuki Solio Premium stands out with its sleek, modern design. It's compact, yet dynamic, offering a practical shape that's perfect for urban environments. The sculpted side panels, sharp lines, and chrome accents give the Solio a premium look, while maintaining a compact footprint that makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Front end. Up front, the Solio Premium features a bold chrome grille flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights. The grille design integrates seamlessly into the car's overall sleek, modern aesthetic, and the front bumper has a refined, sporty feel that enhances its premium look. There's also a wide air intake to improve airflow and add to the car's dynamic front profile. Side profile. From the side, the Solio Premium shows off its compact proportions, perfect for city driving. The clean, flowing lines are complemented by stylish alloy wheels, while the rear sliding doors make access to the cabin easier, especially in tight parking spots. The side view also highlights the car's elevated stance, giving it a more commanding presence despite its small size. Rear end. At the rear, the Suzuki Solio Premium features a clean and modern design. The wraparound taillights add to its distinctive look, while the rear bumper is designed to look more refined and integrated with the overall body. The large rear window offers great visibility, and the tailgate design makes for easy access to the boot, which is impressively spacious for the car's size. Interior. Inside, the 2025 Solio Premium is all about comfort and convenience. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials and a modern layout. The seats are supportive, with plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. The interior features soft-touch materials and a well-organized dashboard that adds to the sense of quality and premium feel. Technology features. The Solio Premium is loaded with advanced tech to make your drive more enjoyable. The 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the instrument cluster is a clear, easy-to-read digital display. Additional tech includes keyless entry, a rear-view camera, and a suite of driver assist features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Cargo space. Despite its compact size, the Suzuki Solio Premium offers impressive cargo space. The rear seats can fold flat to provide a large, flexible cargo area, making it easy to load and transport larger items. With the seats up, there's still enough room for a few bags or groceries, making it practical for daily use. Performance efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Solio Premium is powered by a 1.2-liter four-cylinder engine, offering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, for smooth, responsive acceleration. The car's lightweight design and efficient powertrain make it an excellent choice for city driving and long-distance cruising, offering excellent fuel economy. Driving experience. On the road, the Solio Premium is nimble and easy to drive. The steering is light, making it ideal for tight city streets and parking. The suspension provides a smooth, comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and road imperfections with ease. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Solio delivers a pleasant, quiet driving experience. Final thoughts. The 2025 Suzuki Solio Premium is a standout in the compact MPV segment. With its blend of stylish design, efficient performance, and premium features, it's an ideal choice for urban drivers looking for versatility and comfort. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out for a weekend trip, the Solio is ready for it all. Outro. If you like this review of the 2025 Suzuki Solio Premium, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you next time on your channel name,